In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change scale in AutoCAD 2024. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase two primary methods to change the scale of your drawing in AutoCAD 2024. So for the first method, you can scale the objects directly. To do this, use the selection tool and select the objects that you want to scale. Now, in the command line, you can type scale. Go over to the Modify tab and choose Scale, whichever one works. Now specify a base point. You will be able to choose a reference point for the scaling operation. This point will remain fixed. Once this is done, enter a scale factor. Enter a single value to scale the objects uniformly in all directions if you want a uniform scaling. Alternatively, if you want to scale it non-uniformly, enter separate scale factors for the x, y, and z axis to scale the objects differently in each direction. For the second method, you will be able to adjust the viewport scale. If you are working with layouts and viewports, you can change the scale of the viewport to view your drawing at different scales without affecting the actual object sizes. So click the viewport that you want to modify. Use the scale grip to click and drag the triangular scale grip in the center of the viewport. Now choose a predefined scale from the list or enter a custom scale value. Right-click on the viewport, choose Properties, and in the Properties palette, find the Standard Scale property and choose a new scale from the list. Now, you will be able to scale it however you prefer. For additional tips, ensure that your drawing units are set correctly to avoid scaling issues. Remember that scaling objects in paper space affects their appearance in the viewport, while scaling objects in model space affects their actual size, and by choosing one of these two methods, you will be able to get the desired results. I hope I was able to help you on how to scale in AutoCAD 2024. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.